Hey guys, Christian from Imperial Workshop, and today we're going to be showing you how to disassemble and reassemble the Zeta hilts. Let's get into it.
The first thing we're going to do is remove the handle off of the hilt, so go ahead and unscrew it. We're then going to move to the back of the hilt and unscrew both of the screws located directly behind the button. Now that we got both of the screws out, we're going to push in on the power button and slide the top piece of the hilt off. To put the Zeta hilt back together, we're going to take the top portion of the hilt and slide it on the core, line up the power button and charge port. We're then going to move to the back and put both of the screws back in. Please note that the smaller screw goes on the bottom and the longer screw goes on the top. When tightening in the top screw, you want to be cautious not to over tighten it, as that could actually cause damage to the power button or charge port. So just tighten it enough to where the button and charge port sit securely in the hilt. Now, last but not least, we're going to go ahead and grab the handle and screw that back on.
Thanks for watching this video. If you need any further assistance or run into any complications, please reach out to the email linked in the video's description. See you in the next one.